Divide 516 by 4 in a long division method. 4 times 1 is 4. On subtracting, we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 4. So we put down this 1 and it is 11. 4 times 2 is 8. On subtracting, we get 3. So again, this 3 is less than 4. So we put down this 6 and it is 36. 4 times 9 is 36. On subtracting, we get 0. So 516 divided by 4 is 129. So this much for today and thanks for watching.